So we want now to act on the presentation of this text. To modify the presentation of an HTML text, there are three possible methods. The first one consists to incorporate the formatting directly within the text. This is the oldest method, and it is no longer advised today. However, in some cases, it may be appropriate to know this manipulation. The second method is to use an internal style sheet to the page. Then, in our HTML page, we will separate the formatting and the text by creating at the top of the page a special area where we will explain how the text of this page must be presented. Finally, the third method is to use an external style sheet to the page. The advantage of this method is that it's possible to apply the same style sheet to as many pages as you want. Now, we go back to the first method. Suppose that I want to put that word in bold. So I just have to select it, and in the Properties window, HTML key, and I can select the bold key. We now want to change the color of this word. Here. A priori, there is no offered opportunity in the Properties window. So if I want, I can press the code key here, and if I knew some HTML tags, I can modify the text color of the word. Okay, then I open the tag with the less than symbol. Then I type F, which is the first name of the first letter of the name font, and here you have here the different HTML tags beginning by F. I can select the font tag by double-clicking. Then I press spacebar. So I want to act on the color of the text. So I double-click on the color attribute, and I choose the red color. For instance here, to indicate that the following word must be red written. I close my tag with a greater than symbol. Okay. Then I position my cursor after the word, where will revert to the default color. I open the closing tag by a less than symbol, then type slash, and Dreamweaver automatically close the font tag. So all the HTML tags are designed on the same principle. We have the opening tag, here font, and the closing tag with slash font. On the same way, we find here head, and slash head and title here and slash title. So we want to see the effect of our modification, and we can go back to the creation display, and we can see that the word is actually put in red here. So I want now to highlight, for instance, this paragraph. To do this, so I will go in italics in the properties window here, then apply with Braille here. So I press the code key and I see the effects of my choices in the form of different tags that are set up automatically. Okay, we have a block quote, slash block quote, and here emphasis and slash emphasis. So to resume, we have two possibilities to modify the text by including the formatting and the text, either to go through the various icons that we are offered, either directly in the code display to type the different tags required to the realization of the layout we want. So we saw in this window and this video how to integrate the formatting to the text.